All right, glad to have you back here with us. Dr. Matt Rennels joining us with the answers to your questions when it comes to your family and their good health. Doctor, we start with this first one. A parent says, I'm worried about my child being outside in the cold. Can it cause serious injury?
Yeah, of course. Cold-related injuries are a very real concern. Attention must be paid to the temperature, the wind chill, and the rain and snow forecast to help determine the risk of injury. Hypothermia is one injury that's a decreased core body temperature and occurs after simply prolonged exposure to the cold. It typically causes symptoms throughout the entire body, such as shivering, altered mental status. Frostbite is the actual freezing of body tissues from cold exposure, and chilblain or pernio is an excessive inflammatory response from cold exposure. Those are all serious injuries that can be prevented. They're both local reactions that present as swelling, color change, and even pain.
All right, our next question from a caller out there. What can be done to help prevent those injuries?
Yeah, so paying careful attention to the temperatures and forecast is very important. Consider avoiding the cold altogether if there's question or concern. If going outside, ensure there's the opportunity for warming and breaks in activity when needed. Making sure your clothing is layered, allowing for a base layer to help wick away moisture from the skin surface. Keep in mind that these injuries can occur quickly and are more common in youth and elderly populations.
So obviously the kids over these next few days, they want to be out in the snow, but with the just bitter cold temperatures, make them come in occasionally.
100%, yeah, absolutely.
All right. Our next caller wanted to know, I have always heard shoveling snow can be dangerous. Should I be concerned about that?
Yeah, so shoveling is a very unique and actually vigorous form of exercise. Unfortunately, shoveling snow can be necessary, and not everyone's equipped to start that form of exercise. Any exercise program should be started safely, gradually, and often warrants medical clearance. Vigorous exercise is not often incorporated into most average exercise routines. It's for that reason that shoveling snow can be dangerous. If your body is not used to this specific technique of shoveling snow and vigorous exercise, it can lead to multiple musculoskeletal injuries that also can threaten your cardiovascular health. If you're unsure, simply talk to your provider about if you're safe to do these activities.
All right. As always, good to see you, Doc. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
Thanks a lot.
And coming up tomorrow on Ask the Expert, we talk legal matters. It's Thursday after all. Should you have one ahead of time, think of it, email us. News@13abc.com is where you send it. Oh, he started the DART program in Lucas County. Now Sheriff John Tharp will be leading the fight.